Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on or turn off heated seats on your Suzuki. So I'm in a Suzuki Evatera. Now what are we going to do here is we're going to go over into climate, and in the climate we have the seat icon right in the bottom right corner here. Once we click it, we should see the animation. The left side is our driver and the right side is our passenger. So once you click here, you can choose the level. So 3 is the best one, 1 is the lowest one, but still heating. And we can do the same for the passenger. So that's how you guys can do it. Of course, if you turn it off, then they will be grayed out. And as you guys can see, if I turn it on, if we just go back, even though it's turned on, then we won't see the orange just like we see on the steering wheel. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.